Hi friends, I am Suman Vilan. This is from ECE first year. I am here to explain about the Raspberry Pi, the world's cheapest computer. Yeah, where is my friends? I think there. Hi भाई लोग.
अरे क्या चल रहा है रात को?
Hi friends, meet my friends. This is Vijay Oraon and this is Swagat Bhai, mechanical second year. He is electrical second year. Let's do the exam.
Let's do the experiment.
Yeah, here another one. The experiment world. And he will explain about the Raspberry Pi.
Oh, you were recording? Okay. So let me introduce myself.
He is Vijay
You are
Naik.
introducing me. Okay. No
He
problem.
is Vijay Naik, electrical second year, and he is explaining the world's cheapest computer, Raspberry Pi. Please let's start. It is too late.
Okay.
Okay. Coming to the point. So here we are going to explain about the supercomputer or cheapest computer, which is used for making a supercomputer. So let's do that topic and see what can happen. Okay. What are your questions, please?
My question is, tell me something about the experiment.
Okay, as the experiment you can see there is a good night, but it is not under the experiment. So here is the box that contains many things like some IC chips, some RF transmitter, receiver, some transformer. Since I am from electrical department, so I usually use them in my experiments. So your topic is that what is supercomputer or what is the
Yes.
Raspberry Pi, right?
Yes.
So let's do that topic. Here is my Raspberry Pi.
Oh yeah.
You can
This is
see.
nice. How can we build the supercomputer?
Okay, so here is the Raspberry Pi.
Okay.
You can see it that this portion is only so the name is Raspberry Pi. So the Raspberry Pi name comes from Pi, and it is usually used in Python. Actually, the purpose of this Raspberry Pi board is to build a computer in very low cost. Likewise, in village area or in remote area, you can find a CPU, but this is only $20 to $50 device that can make your TV as a computer. Okay, so before going to that, I am giving you some brief idea about the Raspberry Pi. Usually, it doesn't made in India, so it is imported from UK. So there are many versions of Raspberry Pi. It is a credit card size computer actually. So there are many versions of Raspberry Pi. So you can make it as a supercomputer. You can find some video on YouTube that how to make a Raspberry Pi as a cluster computer or supercomputer. So we are gonna discuss about that. So before that, we are asked some questions about my friends. So what are your questions, please?
What is its features?
Okay, so features. Coming to the features, the first thing is that it is very cheap. So Raspberry Pi is in my hand. So the features are that it is very compact. You can find that this is not the Raspberry Pi actually. This is the Raspberry Pi. It is a credit card size computer. You can find the Raspberry Pi logo right here, and here is the version name, which Raspberry Pi version it is. So there are many versions of Raspberry Pi. The features are mainly this: it is compact, it is affordable, and you can find a LAN cable, 4 USB ports, camera ports, display ports, HDMI cable, like that. So many functions are there. It is usually used in programming. So any other questions?
What is its use in the daily life?
So coming to the use. So there are many applications of Raspberry Pi. So the first application is, for example, you are going to build a computer, right? So you don't have enough money like to buy i7 processor or to i5 processor. You need just a simple CPU. So this is the best solution for you. So the structure you can find that it is a credit card size computer. It is used as a Arduino, like there are 40 GPIO pins. You can use in it robotics or programming or anything else. So you can take it inside your pocket and go anywhere else, connect the chargers, and you can find the output. That is, the output is either HDMI or in TV output. So you can make your TV as a CPU also. So applications are Bitcoin mining. So these are the clusters used for Bitcoin mining, because it requires a supercomputer. So supercomputer cost a lot much of money. So these are the perfect solution for you if you are going to build a supercomputer or anything else you can make with that Raspberry Pi, like a personalized radio station, a radio receiver, a Wi-Fi hotspot, anything else you can do with that. So coming to the version, there are I think 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 4 versions of Raspberry Pi. That is Raspberry Pi 0 and Raspberry Pi 1, Raspberry Pi, that is version Raspberry Pi 2 Model V version 1.1. This is the Raspberry Pi 2 version 1.1. Okay. So Raspberry Pi 3 is a upgraded option for that. So now coming to the features of this Raspberry Pi 2 Model V. Okay. So it consists of, you can find that it consists of 40 GPIO pins here. A Broadcom CPU is here. HDMI port is here to produce HDMI output. A TV combined audio video jack is here. The LAN cable is here. 4 USB ports are there. For example, if you are connecting your keyboard, mouse and other pen drives, you can use it. And here is the power supply. You can find here is the power supply. So you can find the Raspberry Pi logo is here, and this is the actually display port. You can connect any external display port here, and this is the Raspberry Pi camera port. So you can use any Raspberry Pi camera from market and insert it here, and it will works as a webcam. Okay. So coming to its performance. So performance is not like good, but it is usual. Like you can run a simple program, you can run a simple video, and you can't expect from that a high resolution 4K video, right? So you can expect that a simple computer experience like. But the main problem is that it requires a constant 5 volt 2 ampere input, so that it can run all of its processor, because it consists of 1 GB RAM, and that 900 megahertz is the frequency, is the clock speed of Raspberry Pi 2 Model V is 900 megahertz, and many other functions are there. It has a SD card input also. So the advantage is that you can use any type of operating system, like in GNOME operating system, Windows 10 operating system, and many more, like Linux, Ubuntu, Android also. So and you can find that it is connected to a Mod S Beast, which is a satellite finder device. So we are not going about that. You can connect it to any device to perform it faster and to connect it through the Raspberry Pi, because we have in our hand Raspberry Pi. It is the control system of your computer as well as your connected device also. So main thing is that hacker actually use that to hack some computer or to exploit some threats in a computer. So before previous 10-12 day, hacker is name is there, Sami Karmarkar sahab. So he developed a system, Raspberry Pi 0, which can hack any computer in which the browser is background running. So it is based on Raspberry Pi 0 technology. So it is the best solution for you if you are going to buy a cheap computer under $20 to $25. Then you can buy a Raspberry Pi. There are many other Pis are available, like Orange Pi, Banana Pi, Eurobox, but these are bit costly like that. Like Eurobox is running Intel processor, but it has double value of that Raspberry Pi. It has more performance also. Coming to Raspberry Pi 3 version, then it has a Bluetooth low energy and same Broadcom processor, but the frequency is high, like 1.2 gigahertz. RAM also 1 GB, and there are also same pins like 40 GPIO pins, HDMI output, camera, display, for the input and output, and that USB ports also is there. So you can find that Raspberry Pi in Amazon, Shopify, anywhere else, but I prefer to buy it from Element 14, which is the official partner of that Raspberry Pi. So any other question from you? You can ask that.
No other questions.
Okay.
Start.
Okay, you don't have any question. So I have the latest version of Raspberry Pi in my hand. Not the latest version, but guess what? I am going to build a supercomputer today. Okay, no problem. Just a joke. So, hello guys. I think that we are going to upload that video into YouTube. So we are the tech engineering virus team. So please like our channel so that we can serve you the better stuff. Like these are the stuff. You don't know even that motor, which is the motor, and that IC board also. So we are going to explain this board. If you are please like the video and subscribe and comment. And if you have some doubt or query, please feel free to comment on below the section. We are going to help you. So please like and come on, yaar. The tech virus, not the tech virus. It is
Engineering virus.
Yes. So please like, share and comment on the channel to get the latest updated stuff like this. So don't forget to like and comment and share. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more videos.
Thank you.